अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Exercise 151. Three of us had arranged to make the trip full stop. All of us are members of the same political association, comma, while two are also prominently connected with a medical association, comma, and the third with a traders association, full stop. On a Wednesday evening, we left the shores of England for France, full stop, arriving in Paris, comma, we hired a flat-bottomed Norwegian boat, comma, somewhat smaller than we had intended, comma, and from this city we rowed ourselves down to Nantes, comma, leaving Paris on a Thursday afternoon, full stop. We went by the Seine, comma, along two canals, comma, and down the Loire, comma, a distance of over 300 miles, comma, which occupied a joyous month, comma, out